to be unboxing this.
The Ocushield arrived today. It's the anti-blue light screen protector. It's the other one that we purchased in addition to iJust. And I just want to show you how it's different. So we're going to unbox this really quickly.
Okay.
And I'm very surprised how the packaging is very different. Oh, actually no, you don't peel this off. I'm not even really sure how to install this. Oh, so this is the nice cleaning dust removal.
And then here's the
Oh, so that's what's in that bag. There's the cloth. That's in that bag. And then that's...
There's still one.
Is there something else in there?
Yes.
What is that?
It's a cleaning wipe.
Oh, and a cleaning wipe. So that's what was in that bag. All right, so let's take a look at the directions. So somehow you're gonna peel back the film and you put the whole entire case on the front of the phone. So this whole entire thing, when I peel this off, goes on top of the phone, so the alignment will be 100% accurate and perfect. I find that to be very nice to have that feature. Instead of trying to wiggle it and jiggle it around to get it perfectly centered, it's kind of like the dummy's way of installing the screen protector onto your phone, except the screen protector also protects your eye from blue light.
I folded this.
So I really like this feature of installation. It makes life much easier to install without having to do multiple sessions to make it work. So we're gonna install it onto the iPhone 8 and see how that works. Okay, so we used the wet wipe first. We kind of cleaned off the phone. After we did that, we used the cloth, cleaning cloth, and dried the wet wipes. This is the iPhone 8 right here. And then now we're gonna use the dust removal sticker and remove any kind of dust that's on this. And then after we do that, we're gonna take off this little styrofoam and then we're gonna put it face down alignment-wise onto the phone.
Yeah.
So that's a very interesting install. Oh.
I already took off the phone.
Oh, okay, so she already took off the foam and then I have to peel off the sticker after the phone is completely dust-free. We're on to the final step. I got the phone all nicely lint-free. And then this is what I'm gonna peel off. And this is gonna, the part has to be careful. I gotta use this part, peeling that off. And now I'm going to put it right over the phone. Peel this off. And once I peel this blue sticker off, I can take the case off and then supposedly everything's all nicely installed. Peel this part off. Eek. And wow, that's pretty good. And now the final step is we're gonna take the phone. Oh, you made your own phone with the extra stickers and screen protector. Okay, so this part is all done and I just need to somehow peel this part off. Oh my gosh, it actually works. I peel that part off and now I'm just gonna wait to get all the air bubbles out.
What's the air bubble?
See those air bubbles?
No.
Air bubbles. So there's very little air bubbles. The other one I had to spend some time getting the air bubbles out. This one I don't have to do too much. So let me just get the air bubbles out and I'll put the two phones side by side and see which one looks better. Because this will decide which cover I'm going to choose from my iPhone 12 that's gonna come out next month.
Here is nice.
So I have both the phones installed with a cover. One is with Ocushield, the other one is with iJust. And both of them are at maximum brightness.
And I have to give you a tip. This one is brighter than that one.
Yeah, this one does end up being brighter than that one.
And these are both on maximum light.
Yeah, they're on maximum light, and as everybody else says, this one is a little bit more on the yellow side. Has a yellowish tint to it. But both of them looks good. But I do have to say the Ocushield one does have a slight yellow tinge. This one is just, the iJust one is just a softer
kind of look to it. But this is both. This one is the iPhone 8. This is the iPhone XS on the right. And the installation, I have to give it to Ocushield. I love the installation. It's so easy to install it. It's like, you know, anybody can install it. The one for iJust is a little bit trickier. I did have to wiggle it a couple times just to get it in the correct position. But I would have to say both of these are quality products. The screen protector is like really nice. It's not flimsy plastic. It's really nice solid material. But if I was going to choose between the two, I would have to say I do like the fact that from a, you know, drawing artist, graphic designer kind of perspective, I would have to say I would prefer the iJust just because the colors are more true than the ones over on Ocushield. Either way, I do love both of these products, especially with everybody being on electronics all day long with virtual meetings.
True.
Yeah. So which one do you like? What's your final answer?
It's kind of hard, I have to say, but I like your phone better.
Oh, so you like Mommy's phone better than Daddy's phone? So I saw them Daddy's phone. But
That's Dad's, that's Mom.
okay, all right. Well, thank you for watching this review. I do have another Ocushield product that I did buy, and I'm loving it. It's the eyeglasses, so that will be on my next review.
I hope you enjoyed this video and give it a big thumbs up. Oh, and also tell me which phone you like and if you play Fall Guys, because my sister loves Fall Guys.
Oh yeah, she does. She loves Fall Guys.
Even though I haven't played it that well, I haven't played it at all.
Yeah, but she loves it, right?
Yeah.
Bye everyone.
Bye.
Thanks for watching.